Hey guys, Jesse here at Florenceville Ag. Just wanted to do a walk around video for you on the new Kioti RX7340. So this tractor is a 73 horsepower engine, 4-cylinder diesel. Transmission is a 20 by 20, 24, 20 reverse, and you got your creeper gear. Kioti redesigned this tractor last year. So everything from the loader to the cab, even the engine. So we'll start with the loader. It comes with the KL7340. So something new they're trying. This is the first model. They're routing their hydraulic lines through the loader arms. And it also comes plumbed for a third function. You just have to add the kit for that. Self-leveling loader. What else? The bucket. They changed the bucket. They put it's standard. It comes with the attachment points already for your bucket hooks. And like all the other Kiotis, it's skid steer quick attach on the bucket. They also integrated a little storage container in there. Put your chains and stuff. Something else they changed, they did all LED lights, which is very bright. Real nice to see in the dark. The headlights and the cab lights. So we'll walk around. This tractor is 4-wheel drive. Like I mentioned before, the transmissions would be a power shuttle shift, 20 by 20. So another big change they did on this model, they put they widened the cab so you can have a buddy seat. The driver's seat is a adjustable air ride suspension. The cab is a 5-pillar design as opposed to a 6-pillar. Get some nice steps there, aluminum steps. Go around the back. Another major change, they added your rocker arm controls right in the fender here, so you can raise and lower your 3-point arms from outside the tractor, as well as bump the PTO right there. This one's equipped with an 87-inch MK Martin snowblower with hydraulic tilt and rotation. It comes standard with 1 rear remote. This one was added a second, and you can do up to 4 remotes. Nice heavy hitch on it, fully adjustable. So go into the cab.